Yeah? Yeah? Oh yeah, you want to do that one? All right, cool. Oh, when? Now? All right, cool. I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Johnston, managing broker and co-owner of GoDominicanLife.com and LasTorrenosLife.com here in beautiful, sunny, peaceful Friday afternoon in the Dominican Republic. Today's topic is about recruiting and speaking to those other real estate professionals here in the Dominican Republic. So let's go for a walk. I got something to tell you, I got something to share with you. Okay guys, so listen. This is a discussion between me as a managing broker and owner to those other real estate professionals here in the country, or those that are maybe going to semi-retire and move here. We have a big problem. And the problem is a good problem, which is normal in a lot of markets right now around the world. But the difficulty and problem is we are generating way too many leads, and we need your help. So this message is about telling you that we are looking for like-minded people to join our team throughout the Dominican Republic. We have openings in all 3 locations that we are trading in currently. Right here in Las Terrenas, the North Coast, Sosua, Puerto, Plata, Cabarete, and beyond, all the way through Rio San Juan, Cabrera, etc. And of course, our expansion plans, which is into Punta Cana and Barro. So what we are ideally looking for, when I say like-minded personality, we look for people that are happiness-oriented, that have skills, but don't have too much skill that they believe they know everything. I don't believe I know everything, but we know the systems that we have and that they work. And we want to make sure that we attract like-minded people. So if you are a detail-oriented person, you thrive on customer service, and you can respond actively and interactively with the leads that we can generate for you, we literally can tell you that we can drive your business forward, because we are receiving anywhere between 30 and 100 new leads every single day into our system nationwide. Currently we have 4 real estate agents on our team, but we are still overwhelmed with the amount of leads to show property. So now what we can offer you is this simple. We can offer you a plug-in system. So we do all the marketing, we do all the YouTube, all the social media on your behalf, all the web design. We even drive the listings to you, and we pre-qualify all the buyer leads automatically. We have our mortgage divisions that can pre-qualify the client to make sure that they are coming and they do have money and they're willing to buy in a period of time that we identify. So literally, it's something that you can plug into right away. And the ideal agent that is currently in the Dominican Republic that maybe sells between 5 and 12 transactions every year, we can take you over time to produce between 25 to 50 transactions over a period of, let's say, 6 to 18 months through the proven systems that we've done. You may say to me, well, how can you do that? Well, that's when we're going to talk to you personally off camera, so you understand that what we're telling you is real. Whoa, hazard, water. But literally, if you are working real estate in this country and you're working with a real estate brokerage and you have to generate all of your marketing, all of your social media, all of your administration, generate leads however you do them, do crazy amounts of showings every day of the week, and maybe your broker doesn't even give you listings. Maybe they don't even give you leads. This is something that we do on your behalf. I know how it is to generate leads. We have 15 people in our team right now, 5 in the marketing department alone, generating all the content that is required to bring successful buyers to us, and of course, listings for people that want to sell and move on or upgrade in their life. It's not something we take lightly, and here are the qualifications that we would need you to do if you're interested. My WhatsApp number is down below. You're going to text me on WhatsApp. What I need to receive from you is your current strategy for business, your last 2 years of income in terms of transactions, so I know where you are. I don't need exact details, but I need to know what level you're at. I want to have you prove that you are at that level. Then we will structure a business plan around you within our organization to ensure that we can drive you from one place to the other in terms of business here to business here. We have already proven it twice with my business partner here, Stephen Hattie, what he started with and where he's at now. Also on the North Coast in Sosua with Margarita Van Dam. We've done the same thing in her area with her. So we have those case studies that we will share with you privately to make sure that you understand that we are telling you the truth and that we can do it again and again and again. But it takes dedication, it takes the right personality. You have to understand the concept of a team. And a team in real estate is literally a professional organization where everybody has a distinct role to generate the transactions, and everybody shares in the benefit of all these transactions. What we don't want is inflated egos, somebody that believes they know everything, but they only sell 12 homes a year. We don't want someone that is part-time. You have to be in it and love it. We want you to be focused on being happy. So we don't want someone that is constantly bitching and moaning about everything in their life. We've all been there, we get it, but you have to resolve those things before you even can join a new system. We don't want you jumping from one brokerage to the other with simply trying to repeat what you've already done, because that's what we call the definition of insanity, doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. We will coach you, we will train you, we will build a brand around you and build the marketing. Just like I'm saying to you, I am also professionally coached. I've been professionally coached in my business my entire career. I have a real estate coach that I work with in the United States and have been. This will be my 20th year with him. And that allows me to understand all the new strategies that are happening globally that are not currently applied here, so that we always can stay on the cutting edge of technology and marketing, customer service, and acquisition of properties. The other thing we will do is we will also put you on a pattern so that you can also be successful in real estate by showing you how to buy real estate, build your net worth, build a foundation of income for your retirement while still working in the business. But that said, if we show you how to do that, we do not want you managing your real estate. That is what the team does, because those are passive investments for you, and somebody on our team will manage those for you so that you don't get your headspace involved in like tenants every day, what I call non-income producing activities. Okay, so where we're looking for people, one more time: La Romana, Bavaro, Punta Cana, Cabarete, Sosua, Puerto Plata, Las Terrenas, Samana, the city of Samana, and Las Galeras. So if you are in any of those areas working for any other real estate brokerage, or you have just relocated here and have some form of real estate experience from your past, we want to talk to you. So call me on the WhatsApp, 829-525-1782. I want to talk to you, and I promise we're going to drive you to a level that you have not experienced before. We can do it, we've done it already, and we will help you. So I'm Patrick Johnston, managing broker. Go DominicanLife.com and LasTerrenasLife.com. Look, it's Friday afternoon. Come join us. Let's do it.